If you want to collage 3 videos in CapCut, this tutorial will show you the fastest way to stack, split, and export a clean 3-panel layout. This is perfect for reaction edits, comparison videos, side-by-side clips, or any project where you want multiple videos playing at the same time in one frame. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open CapCut and import your 3 video files into the media bin. To do that, click Import and select all 3 clips from your computer. Once they appear in your media panel, drag each video down onto the timeline. The key here is to place them on separate tracks, one directly above the other, so you can work with them as stacked layers. Now that your clips are on the timeline, line them up so they all start at exactly the same point. If one clip starts earlier or later than the others, your collage will feel off right away. So trim the beginning and end of each clip until all 3 videos share the same starting point and the same duration. This step is important because it keeps everything synced while the collage plays. Next, decide what format you want for your final video. If you want a standard YouTube video, click the ratio box below the preview window and choose 16:9. If you're making content for TikTok, Shorts, or Instagram Reels, switch to 9:16 instead. Choosing the right ratio now makes the rest of the layout much easier. Now, we're going to build the collage layout. The easiest way to do this in CapCut is by using masks. Before adjusting the masks, lower the opacity of the top 2 layers to around 60%. This makes it much easier to see all 3 clips at the same time while you position them. Click the top clip in your timeline, then go to the Video tab, select Mask, and choose Split. You'll see a mask line appear over your preview. If you want 3 vertical columns, rotate the mask axis to 90 degrees. If you want 3 horizontal rows, set it to 0 degrees. Then drag the mask line until that clip covers roughly 1/3 of the screen. After that, select your middle clip and do the same thing. Go back to Video, then Mask, choose Split again, and position the boundary so it fills the next third of the frame. The goal is to divide the screen evenly so each video gets its own section without overlapping too much. Then do the same thing for the 3rd clip if needed, making sure all 3 videos fit nicely into the collage layout. You can also adjust each clip individually if one needs to be moved slightly left, right, up or down for a cleaner fit. The best collage videos always look balanced, so take a moment to preview how each section lines up. Once everything is positioned correctly, click each clip and return to Video, then Basic, and restore the opacity back to 100%. That brings your collage back to full clarity and makes the final preview look polished and professional. Now scrub through the timeline and make sure all 3 videos play in sync. Watch for any unwanted gaps, cropping issues, or misalignment. If something looks off, just adjust the clip positions or trim points until everything matches perfectly. When you're happy with the result, it's time to export. Click Export in the top right corner of CapCut, choose your preferred resolution and set it to 1080p for standard quality or 4K if you want the highest detail. Then hit Export again and let CapCut render your final collage video. And that's it. You now know how to collage 3 videos in CapCut with a clean stacked layout. This is a super useful editing trick once you get the hang of it, and it can save you a lot of time when creating comparison videos, reaction edits, or multi-angle content. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.